Leather Lady here, just on a really quick tip about shipping anything to us with repairs. We made it easy for you guys. All you need to do is find a box for whatever you're shipping. Go ahead and put it in there. Make sure it's secure with some type of packing so it doesn't jostle around. And if it's an envelope, that's fine too. A bubble envelope, that's fine too. Go ahead, put it in the box and measure it. And how you do that, especially if it's for UPS, you go ahead and measure it by length, by width, and then by depth. Okay? Again, length first, width second, and depth. Okay? Then you'll put it on a home scale, whether it's a bathroom scale or a cooking scale. Get the poundage, send us the dimensions and the weight. We do the rest. We will send you a prepaid shipping label through your email, and you can either, if you have a label printer, print it out there. If not, just print it on a piece of paper from your printer, tape it on, and if you're in an area where it rains a lot or gets wet a lot, throw it in a plastic baggie from your kitchen and put it on there, and then tape that on so it stays dry. And that's it. When we get your package, we will add that shipping cost to your invoice, and we will repair your item or make your item, whatever it is. Then when we're done, we will package it up, send you the cost of the invoice, you pay it, and then we will ship it. Simple as that. We've done it for many people all over the United States. And I hope this is something that you will think about doing in sending your repairs rather than having them sitting in your tack room getting dust, because it's not that expensive also than to replacing the whole piece. All right, I hope this was helpful. See you on the flip side and the next video. Don't forget to subscribe at the Leather Lady LLC on our YouTube channel. We also have saddle repair and restoration. Just do the @ sign, saddle repair and restoration, or go to our website for products and sheepskin, leather, DIY kits, leather craft, saddle pads, sheepskin. We do a lot of sheepskin for the horse industry at theleatherladyllc.com. See you on the next video.